Did you have a good day at school? Did you have a good day?
Yes.
You did?
Irissa and Darius Leverett of North Brunswick live a unique life together. Darius is a TikTok star with 1 million followers around the world. He's 18 with nonverbal autism and a personality that shines.
Darius, where you want to go? We got to do this interview.
Like Darius, neurodiverse people under the age of 21 have a guaranteed free public education and often have a host of support services. But in adulthood, their supports and opportunities often diminish. The question his mom asks herself, and what thousands of parents ask themselves, is how will my child be able to live a happy, productive life when I am gone?
That's what I want for him. A place that he's safe, a place that he can be Darius, a place where there's just love. And is an institution, are they going to have that, or are they just going to have people just working, coming to work? That's what I worry about. We worry about it like, what's going to happen to our kids? What's going to happen to our kids? We could never die. That's what we say. We could never die.
According to the National Institutes of Health, research shows those with autism have a higher chance of living a shorter life.
The reality of the situation can't be ignored.
Dr. Christopher Menente is the founding director of the Rutgers Center for Adult Autism Services.
Our society continues to be hugely discriminatory and ableist in reference to providing fair and appropriate opportunities for adults with autism to achieve their full potential in adulthood.
Experts say just like we began to develop special education teaching pathways in the 70s, society now needs us to develop pathways into careers that help adults with autism.
Staffing is probably one of the biggest crises facing social services.
Chantel Walker is the CEO of Bergen County-based Read Autism Services. We're here at one of their group homes in Glen Rock.
Direct support professionals work incredibly hard. Their work is both physically and emotionally draining. And we need to continue to show people that it's a career that is both meaningful and impactful.
Efforts are spanning from staffing to more innovative options for housing.
So if we look at 1 in 34 individuals, they will age out of that under 21 system. And as a result, they need somewhere to go and to live and to build their own community.
Karen Fluharty, a mother of an adult son with autism, is helping to develop a new neuro-inclusive community called Thrive Red Bank, an apartment complex with supportive amenities and that's built right into the community of Red Bank. Builders are set to break ground next year.
Without quality programming, without communities, these individuals run a risk of being homeless, being taken advantage of.
At the state level, the New Jersey Department of Human Services says it remains steadfast in its commitment to caring for these individuals. The department says Governor Phil Murphy's budget plan in part includes $100 million in investments to home and community-based services, $72 million to help offset inflation for fee-for-service provider rates, and $13 million to help develop housing options for those with disabilities who are currently in nursing facilities or institutions. The state says it's also funding training for support practitioners and community health workers.
Gotta slow them down.
In the end, Leverett says the journey starts at home while the parents are still here to bring their child into communities and begin to include and involve them rather than wait.
You know, I guess we just have to pray and hope and have faith. That's all we can do.